Good evening. Can you hear me? මාව ඇහෙනවද?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you download the paper? paper එක download කරගත්තද? හරි මම screen එකේ දානවා අපි ඒකම හදාගෙන යමු. Okay. ඔයාලගේ පොඩි mistake එකක් වෙලා සමහර ඒවා වැදිලා නැද්ද paper එකේ. හරි මේකේ බලන්න. First one, a custom duty of 720 is charged for a certain item that is imported. Find the percentage of duty if the value this item is 9,000. Okay. I'm giving the support custom duty equal to value multiplied by percentage of duty. It's X. You have to find the X now. You know the value and custom duty. You have to find the percentage. Custom duty is 720 rupees. Value is 9,000 rupees. Did you got the answer? If you got the answer, send me it. I will check it. We use this formula any given the question what have to find out the what is the duty and what is the you have if you have to find the interest, we use this formula. Can you find out how much? Can divide. You have to get X as the subject now. Can you get X subject එක කරගන්න? The answer, did you get? Tarul? Kata. Answer, how much the percentage of the duty? Kira. X is 720 divided by 90. Right? Then how much? Its percentage is X is 72 divided by 9. How much? 8%. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Then second one, find the value of X. Can you find the X? How much X? What is next one? These two sides are equal. Then they should be the what are in the isosceles triangle, the opposite angle to the equal side, what should be? Should be equal. Then this angle is equal to how much? Can you remember? කියද වෙන්න ඕනේ? Sides දෙකක් equal. Opposite angles are should be Devindu, can you tell me? Opposite sides are equal, neda? Then how much this angle is? 40. Now can you find the x? Now how much this angle is? How much? The internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Then this angle is how much? Make a key 40, 40. It's 80. Then how much? කීයක්ද වෙන්නේ? තරු? Sehansa? How much? You know? It should be 100 name. Is it?
Yes.
And a may angle is how much? This angle is how much? There is a straight angle. Then straight angle summation is equal to 180. How much? 180 වෙන්න තව කීයක් අඩුද? How much it? 80 නේද? Is it?
Yes.
Then can you find the x now?
Yes.
Can you find the x? Then internal angles of this triangle should be 180. 80 plus 70 is 150. How much the x is? X නෙමෙයි මෙන්න මේ කෑල්ල. කීයද මෙතන x නෙමෙයි තියෙන්නේ. හරි.
30.
It's 30 නේද? Is it?
Yes.
X is equal to now 30 plus 40. How much? 70 ne? Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Try to do the third question. Did you get the answer for third one? That is 4x minus 1 minus 2. Okay. Can you see 4x minus 1 minus, then you can take minus 1 out of the bracket, then x minus 1. Can you see the both denominators are equal now? Okay, 4x minus 1, then minus minus, we can get then minus 2. X minus 1, what is 4x minus 1 plus 2, x minus 1. What is a 6, x minus 1. After you finish the getting answers for the third one, raise hand. Third one එක ඉවර වෙලා raise hand කරන්න. Devindu, I finished the writing. Okay. I'm going to the next question. Find the factors x squared minus 13x plus 3. 30 plus 30. What is the first one? In the method, what is the coefficient of square term? It's 1. And you have to multiply the it's by constant. Constant again multiply karno. 1 multiplied by 30. It's equal to 30. Then what are the multiple of 30? What are the multiple of 30? We can get 15 multiplied by 2. Also 6 multiplied by 5. And then 30 by 1 you can get. Then you have to find the what? You have to get the middle term constant for the what?
Six plus 7.
Okay, find out the answers. Can you get the 10 multiplied by 3? How much? It's 30. We can get. Then minus 10 multiplied by minus 3. How much? Plus 30. Then can you get the minus 10x minus 3x plus 30? Okay. What is the common term for the first two? X minus 10. Then minus 3 we can take out. Then x plus x minus 10. Then you can take x minus 3. Then x minus 10. They are the factors of x squared minus 13x plus 30. Given here is a sector, radius 28 centimeters. Find the circumference of the base of a cone, which can be made by using sector. Can you find out how much the circumference? This question given the curved face of a cone. මෙන්න මේ වටේ කැල්ල තමයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ. Now we have to find the circumference of the base of a cone. Then what is? Can you find this curved sector? Can you find curved length? How we find it? Find පුළුවන් ද curved එක. What is the formula for find the circumference of a circle? Circumference එක හොයන්න මොකද්ද formula එක? පරිධිය වෘත්තයක. How we find 5r squared ද කිව්වේ? Is it squared? What is it? C is 2 pi r nil. Is it? C is 2 pi r for the circle. But there is a sector with 90 degree. ඔය කීයකින් වෘත්තයකින් නම් circle එකකින් නම් කීයෙන් පංගුවද? How much the fraction is? කීයෙන් පංගුවද? කැලි කීයකට කපලා එකක්ද ඔය? Yes, 4. Then you have to multiply by it 1/4. හතරෙන් එකයිනේ. Now asking the what? 2 pi r is 22/7 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 1/4. It's the centimeter. This is the circumference of a sector. How much? 4 divided by 4. Then how much? 44 centimeters. What is the base circumference of the cone is 44 centimeter. හරි මේ සෙක්ටර් එක තමයි මෙන්න මේ කෝන් එකේ යට බේස් එක වටේට එතිලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි can you do it? Get the answer for the fifth one. It's 44 centimeters. Are you finished? Sixth one, did you get the answer? Sixth one එකට. How we get 2x squared equal to 8x. Then 2x squared minus 8x equal to 0. Now, can you take out the common terms within the bracket? Common terms මොකක්ද තියෙන්නේ ඔය දෙකට? You can take out 2. Then x squared minus 4x. You can take another. What? තව term එකක් පොදුයි නේද? What is the term? Can we take out it? මොන term එකද දෙකටම පොදු තව? සෙහන්සා මොකද්ද term එක පොදු? Can you take out x minus 4? Is it? Okay. Then can you equal 2x to the 0 and 4x minus 4 equal to 0? What is x is 0, x equal to 4. Okay, did you get it? Take the answer for the sixth one. After you finish, raise hand. The answer. I finish. Eight men can finish the half of a certain work in 6 days. Okay. Find the how many days it takes for the 12 men to complete the remaining work. Okay. You know how to do the men's days questions. Eight men can finish the half of a certain work in 6 days. How many men's days the half of the work? කියන බලන්න. Then 8 men's work in 6 days. How much men's days now? Kiyada? 8 multiplied by 6. Kiyada? Aksha?
48.
48. Then half of the work 48. Then how much remaining now? කියක් ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙනවද? දැන් භාගයක්නේ. ඉතුරු භාගෙත් එනං ඒකට equivalent නේද? How much days men's days remain?
90.
48. Also 48 remaining. Find the how many days it takes for 12 men to complete the remaining work. Remaining men days 48. 12 men work in this. So can you find the how much days spending? Half of work equal to 8 men multiplied by 6 days. How much men days? Kiyada? Aksha? 48 men days. දැන් භාගයක් හරි. මේව තියෙනවා භාගයක් 48ක් යනවා men days. Then how much remaining other parties? Then this part is done. Then other parties how much men days? Also 48. Then how many men's work at the work? ඉතුරු එක කී දෙනෙක්ද කරන්නේ? 48 men days work by 12 men multiplied by days. Okay. Then you have to find the days. 48 divided by 12. How many days is spending?
40.
then 4 days. Okay. 8.1. According to the given figure, A, B, C, D is a rhombus. E is a point on AB. By the considering diagram mark right in front of the correct statement and cross in front of the incorrect statement. Can you do it? If you finish raise hand, එක ඉවරනම් raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. මොකක් හරිම උත්තරයක් ගත්තාම raise hand කරන්න. Area of ADC. Area of ADC triangle. Area of the BCD. What is ACD? ACD triangle. ACD triangle. And make area එක equal වෙනවා කියනවා BCD. What is BCD? In this one. Okay. Okay. The areas, is it equal or correct or not? Can you tell me?
No.
No, the yes.
No.
Aksha? No, the yes. Tevindu? What is yes or no? First one. Sehansa? What is the answer? This two triangles area is equal. It's correct. Why? It's between the same what? Same parallel lines. Okay. Rhombus එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? The opposite sides are equal and parallel. හරි? එහෙනම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ triangle දෙකේ area එක equal වෙනවා. එකම සමාන්තර parallel lines අතරනේ තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට මේ දෙක මොකද වෙන්නේ? Equal වෙනවා. The area of BOC. හරි? ඔයාලා මේක mark කරගන්න මේ triangle දෙක, මේ දෙක equal වෙනවා area එකකින්. Okay? Because it's between the two parallel lines. BOC. BOC. What is BOC? BOC. This one. Equal to AO. AO. AO multiply by BO. This one. Okay. Is it correct? Area of BOC. මොකද වෙන්නේ? Is it correct? Correct ද? කියන්නේ. මොකද වෙන්නේ? ඔයාලට කොහොමද අපි triangle එකේ area එක හොයන්නේ? half multiply by base multiply by perpendicular height නේද? හරි. මෙන්න මේකේ බලන්න. මෙන්න මෙතන මොකද වෙන්නේ? This the diagonals are intersect at 90 degree. හරි. අංශක 90ට තමයි මේ මොකද වෙන්නේ? rhombus එක diagonal ටික cross වෙන්නේ. එතකොට මෙතන තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ diagonal එකයි මෙන්න මේ diagonal එකයි. එතකොට ඒවා cross වෙන්නේ 90 degree වලින්. okay. so එතකොට මෙතන perpendicular වෙනවා. then AC and AON OC are equal. So half multiplied by AO multiplied by BO is correct. Okay, you can use it because අපි දැන් හරියටම rhombus එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක් වගේද? rhombus එක කියන්නේ මේ වගේ. what is it's a square. the oblique square had මේ අපි කිව්වොත් මොකද්ද? සමචතුරස්‍රයකට හරියට පයින් ගැහුවා වගේ. මොකද වෙන්නේ? හරි සමචතුරස්‍රයකට පයින් ගැහුවම මේ වගේ ඇද වෙනවා. අන්න ඒකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ rhombus එකක් කියලා. rhombus එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? the diagonals intersect by 90 degree. අංශක 90කට තමයි මේවා වෙන්නේ. හරි intersect වෙන්නේ. so also the diagonals what? diagonals මොකද වෙන්නේ? diagonal intersect to the each other. okay. length of AC equal to length of BD. Is it? length of AC equal to length of BD. Is it? වෙනවද එහෙම? Can you see it? මොකද වෙන්නේ? Is it? length of BD වලට equal වෙනවද? No. Okay. Let's cross. If you finish, raise hand now. Okay. Express the shade portion in the set notation. What is the portion is? What? මම ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් explain කරන්න. Then what is this area is? Can you tell me? ඔය area එක මම මොකද්ද පාට කරලා තියෙන්නේ? It's what? A dash නේද? Is it? Next time drawing another one. A, this is B. Now I shaded in the blue one. What is the? මොකද්ද මම shade කරලා තියෙන්නේ? B කියන එක set එක නේද? Is it? Then you have to express the what is. මෙන්න මේ area එක මොකද්ද කියලා තමයි අපෙන් අහන්නේ. මෙන්න මේ area එක. Can you find out the what is this area? ඔය blue එකත් උඩ එකේම අඳින්නම්. What is? This is B. This is B. A dash. What is? What is? A dash intersect B. ඔය දෙකටම පොදු කොටස නේද මම දැන් පාට කරලා තියෙන්නේ. A dash what? Intersect B. Okay. What is the portion? The shaded A dash intersect B. හරි මේ දෙකටම පොදු කෑල්ල නේද ඔය මම පාට කරලා තියෙන්නේ බලන්න මෙන්න මේ ගත්තාම ඔය මම ඒට අයිති නැති කෑල්ල පාට කරා ඉස්සරවම රතු පාටින් හරි දැන් ඊට පස්සේ මම නිල් පාටින් පාට කරා B කියන එක ඔය දෙකටම පොදු කොටස නේද දැන් මගෙන් මෙන්න මේ කළු පාටෙන් පාට කරලා තියෙන්නේ හරි එහෙනම් දෙකටම පොදු මොකද්ද A dash intersect B. Is it? තේරුණාද ආක්ෂා?
Yes.
Okay. සෙහන්ස තේරුණාද? ඔය දෙකටම පොදු කොටස තමයි මම පාට කරලා තියෙන්නේ. සෙහන්ස can you understand it? Okay. තෙවිඳු can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After if you finish the ninth one raise hand. නවවෙනි එක ඉවර නම් raise hand කරන්න. Find the least common multiple for the 4x squared y squared comma 6xy. These are the numbers. If you can't see the x, y, x cubic, y cubic. Okay. What is we can divide by 2. If we divide by 2, what is the answer? 2x squared y squared 3xy cubic 4x now you can again divide by 2. It's 1 x squared y squared 3xy cubic 2x squared y squared 3x cubic x cubic y cubic. Then we can divide by x. X, y. Okay, I am dividing it by 3. 3 වලිනුත් බෙදලා ඉවර කරමු. Then x squared y squared xy cubic x cubic y cubic. We can divide by x. X y squared x y cubic squared y cubic. You can divide by it. Again, x y squared cubic x First you can divide the y squared 1 y y. Again we can divide by y 1 1 1. What is the these common multiple these? LCM. LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 x cubic y cubic. Then 4 multiplied by 8 24 x cubic y cubic. Okay. Yes.
මං කරේ ඔය විදියට නෙමෙයිනේ.
ඔයාගේ multiple එකක් විදියට අරන්ද?
ඔව් අර දිගට ලියාගෙන.
ඔව් ඒකේ ඔයා ගත්තද මේ හරියටම?
ඔව් සර්.
එහෙනම් ඒ විදියටත් හරි ඈ. මම මේ විදියටත් කරන්න ඕනේද? මම කරන්නද?
කමන්නේ සර්.
හරි මම කරන්න එහෙනම්. If you මේ විදියට ලියා ගන්නකො. After you finish the writing, raise hand. If you finish the writing, raise hand now. මේක ලියාගෙන ඉවර වෙලා raise hand කරන්න. After you finish the writing, raise hand. අක්ෂය ඉවර ලියාගෙන මේක මේ විදියට.
ඔව් සර්.
මම අර විදියට ඔයා හරි උත්තරේ අරන් හින්න මං ඊළඟ ක්වෙස්චන් එකටම යන්න. ඕකේ. හරි. AB and CD are two parallel straight lines. Okay. Drawn on the same coordinate system and find the equation of CD. This is this pointer 6 and 3. What is this coordinate is? What is 0, 3? What is this point is what? 3, 0. Okay. Can you find the M? Okay. Gradient is how much? You have to find the gradient. Are gradient එක අපි කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? You can take the one coordinate, y coordinate minus y coordinate, divide by 0, minus 3. අනිකෙන් අඩු කරනවා. Then 3 so මෙතන minus 3 Then minus 3, 0. Then minus minus you can get plus 3, it's equal to 1. Okay. Gradient is how much? M. Then CD is going through the what? Y equal mx plus c. If it's going through the C is 0. Okay. Then 1x plus c. C is 0. The y equal x is the equation of CD. After you finish, raise hand. If you got the answer for the 11th one, raise hand. 11 one එකට උත්තරේ ලියාගත්තා නම් raise hand කරන්න. Kevindu, I finished the 11th one. මේ ප්‍රශ්න ටිකක් අමාරු ඒවා. හරි royal paper එකනේ. Can you find the log 10 log base 10 to equal a? Find the log 10 base 10 5 in term of a. Okay, how we do it? You can take log 10 term of a. How we write it? Can you do? X කියන එක ඔයාලා represent කරන්න ඕනේ using a. Can you divide it? Log 10 to log 10 5 equal to a divided by x. Okay, can you do now? Cross multiply කරන්න බලන්නද? You can multiply cross. X log base 10 to equal to a multiply log 10 5. Okay, what is now? You have to find the x. X can get the subject. Okay, you can divide the both side by the log 5 then 10 2. හරි cross multiply කරා මම cross multiply කරලා after I got the what x as a subject. Find the log log 5 log 10 to 10 5. Do the other steps. After you finish, raise hand. Aksha, I finish this question. Okay, I'm going to next one. බලන්න කීයක් පුළුවන්ද කියලා කරන්න. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. AQP is 90 degree. Explain why BCPQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. ඔය cyclic quadrilateral එකක් කියන්නේ මොකද්ද බලන්න. ඔයාලට මතකද? Cyclic quadrilateral එක. If we can include any quadrilateral. Quadrilateral එකක් කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? පැති හතරක් තියෙන මොකක් හරි shape එකකට. Okay. Then like this. මෙන්න මේ quadrilateral එක මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? This opposite angles are equal to summation is equal to 180 වෙනවා. හරි. දැන් මේක BCPQ කියන එක quadrilateral එකක්ද කියලා කියන්න කියනවා. explain කරන්න. BCPQ. Then this angle how much? ACB equal to how much? ACB. ACB කියන එක කීයක් වෙනවද? ACB how much? ACB කියන එක කීයක් වෙනවද කියන්න බලන්න. ACB how much? Do you know ACB how much? ACB කියන එක කීයක් වෙනවද?
90 degrees.
Yes, 90 degrees. What is the reason?
Angles of a semicircle.
Yes, angle of a semicircle projected on the circumference. It's 90 degree. Okay, මෙතන අංශක 90ක් වෙනවා. Okay, can you remember? මෙතන 90 degree වෙනවා. Then how much the BCP? BCP is මෙන්න මේ angle එක. කීයක් වෙනවද? straight line එකකුයි 90කුයි තියෙන. එකතුව කීයක් වෙන්න ඕනද? 180 නේද? එහෙනම් මේකත් කීයද? It's BCP is also 90 degree. Okay. Then BCP plus BQP equal to how much? 180ක් වෙනව නේද? So what is BCPQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. මොකද වෙන්නේ? The opposite angle. එතකොට අපිට මේකේ ඇත්තටම මෙතන අඳින්න පුළුවන් ඔහොම මට ඇන්දොත් ඕක ඔය වෙන මේක ඉන්ක්ලූඩ් වෙන විදිහට ඔය quadrilateral එකේ ඉන්ක්ලූඩ් වෙන විදිහට අපිට අඳින්න පුළුවන් මොනවද? සර්කල් එකක් අඳින්න පුළුවන්. මම මේකේ පේන්නේ නැහැ. මෙතෙන්ට ඔහොම තියලා අඳින්න පුළුවන්. හරි. අන්න ඒක තමයි කියන්නේ. හරි. BCPQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. හරි cyclic quadrilateral එක නම් මෙන්න මේ මම කලින් කිව්වා වගේ the opposite angle summation should be equal to 180. 180ක් වෙන්න ඕන. If you finish the 13th question, raise hand. 13 ඉවර නම් raise hand කරන්න. A histogram illustrates how a group of students from a class obtain mark from a paper for which mark given out of 50. Find the total number of students in the class. Can you calculate? ඕකනම් මට ආන්සර් එක ඕනේ. chat box එකට දාන්න. Yes, Sinuri, answer is correct. Parul check again. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් ඔය එක හදන්න. Find the total number of students. මෙන්න මේකේ උස කීයද? How much the height of this bar? Histogram bar එකේ උස කීයද? How much represent, how many students represent it? Who can tell me? First one, first bar, how much represent?
2.
It's 4 students represent. And this one, 2 multiplied by 3. How much students represent? 6. And this one, 10 students represent. Can you get it? How much the total now? කියක් එනවා total එක? How much the total? Total represent 4 plus 6 plus 10. 20 students. If you finish now, raise hand. Okay, n term of the geometric progression is given by Tn equal 4 multiplied by Rn minus 1. If the common ratio of the progression is 2, find the fifth term of the progression. Can you find out? Tn equal 4 multiplied by Rn minus 1. Then R is, what is the meaning of the R? Common ratio. Okay. Then asking what? Common ratio එක තමයි අහන්නේ. Common ratio එක අපි කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? Common ratio එක දීලත් තියෙනවා. Common ratio of the progression is 2. R එහෙනම් කියනවා 2. Can you find the fifth term? Yes, Inuri answer is correct. Now I am going to solve it. T fifth පස්වෙනි පදය. Then 4 multiplied by R is 2. N is now 5. 5 minus 1. 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. Okay. 2 to the power 4, how much? 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Then 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. Okay. Can you get the answer? If you finish the 15th one, raise hand. 15 එක ඉවරනම් raise hand. Tarol, I finish the 15th one.
Yes.
Okay. In the figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. AB is produced to E and BC is produced to F. Find the value of X and Y. Can you see the question? This is X. This is 30. This one is 50. Okay. This one is 100. In a figure, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD. This is the D point. Okay. AB is produced to E. BC is produced to F. Find the value of X and Y. X and Y. How much the this angle? When the main angle කියන බලන්න. ABF. ABF. How much? ABF. How much? ABF එක කීයද ඉනුරි?
80 degrees.
Yes, 80. 80ක් වෙනවා නේද? Straight angle එක නේ. එතකොට මේක 80ක් වෙනවා. Okay. Can you find the X? X කීයක් වෙනවද දැන් එහෙනම්? X plus cyclic නේද? Cyclic quadrilateral. X plus 80 equal to 180. Cyclic එකේ opposite angle වල එකතුව 180 වෙනවා. X is equal to 100. Okay. Then how much this angle? In the main angle එක කීයද? Green colored one. How much? BCD. How much BCD? Can you tell me? BCD?
130.
Yes, 130. Then you know how much should be the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. In a cyclic එක මොකද වෙන්නේ? Opposite angles වල එකතුව 180ක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් y හොයන්න බලන්න. මෙන්න මේ කෑල්ල 30, මෙන්න මේ උඩ කෑල්ල y. Can you find the y? එක්සෑම් එකට මේ සම්පූර්ණ සිලබස් එකෙන්ම එනවා කියලා දාලා තියෙනවා ලෙටර් එක. හරි 2016 NI ඉන්ට්‍රොඩියුස් කරපු සිලබස් එක සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම එනවා. හරි අතාරින්න පාඩම් නැහැ. Then y plus 30 plus 130 equal to 180. Now can you find the y? How much y? Yes. මේක සිංහලෙන්ම කිව්වොත් මේකේ වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද දන්නවද මේ cyclic quadrilateral. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ වෘත්තයක් ඇතුළට දාන්න පුළුවන් නම් කියන්නේ අපි කියන්නේ quadrilateral එක කියන්නේ චතුරස්‍රයක්. පැති හතරක් තියෙන එකක්. මේකේ දැම්මොත් මේකේ මොකද වෙන්නේ? opposite angles වල එකතුව අංශක 180ක්. ඒ කියන්නේ 180 degree වෙනවා. ඉතින් මේක දාලා තමයි මේ ගාන හදලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒක අපිට අර මේ එළියට ප්‍රොඩියුස් කරලා තියෙන සයිට්ස් තියෙනව නේද? මෙන්න මේ වගේ අන්න ඒවැ තියෙන ඇන්ගල්ස් වල අගයන් ටිකක් දීලා තමයි මේ ඇතුලේ අර තියෙන ඇන්ගල්ස් අහන්නේ. හරි? ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් හිතන්න තියෙනවා. හරි? 160 equal 180. Then y is equal to 180 minus 160. Then y is equal to 20 degree. Okay, did you find out it? ගත්තද? Fill the blank in the following statement using the geometric terms in line drawn. Blank a side of a triangle from a midpoint of another side. Space blank the third side. Did you got the answer? Can you remember what is the theorem behind this? What is midpoint of one side, then connect to the midpoint of the other side. Okay. Then third side. What is? Parallel to this one, parallel now. Parallel to the third side. Okay, then next one. Midpoint of a side of a triangle from the midpoint of another side parallel to the third one. Okay, can you get midpoint එක midpoint එකක ඉඳන් අනිත් midpoint එකට side of a triangle connecting the two midpoint connecting line parallel to the third. Okay, write down what is this theorem. Midpoint theorem. Then if it's make a 2 centimeter runana, how much the third side is equal to? මම මේකේ අහලා නැහැ ඒකේ කීයක් වෙනවද?
4 centimeters.
Yes, it's 4 centimeter. If you finish the 17th one, raise hand. සහන්ස ඉවරද 17 වෙනි එක? The figure shows a cylinder and a cone equal radius and equal height. The cone is placed inside the cylinder and the remaining part was filled with water. If the amount water needed to fill remaining portion is 500 milliliter, find the capacity of the cylinder. Okay, can you find out? මට ෆෝමියුලා දෙක කියන්න සිලින්ඩර් එක වොලියුම් එකට ෆෝමියුලා එක කියන්න බලන්න. Can you remember? R base area multiplied by height. 5R square. It's a cylinder. Then how much the cone? Cone එක කීයද volume එක? ඔය මතක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Cone volume is 1/3 5R squared H. Okay. Now the remaining portion එක කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? දැන් ඔය මොකද්ද? cylinder එකට what? Cylinder and cylinder base and cone base are equal. හරියට මොකද ඇතුළට බස්සන්න පුළුවන්. The heights are ඔය දෙකේ උසත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? සමානයි කියනවා. then මෙන්න මේ ඔය අර එළියට තියෙන gap එක fill කරන්න how much water needed? How much water needed? 500ක් පුරවන්නේ අර කෝන් එකේ අතර මැදට නේද? සිලින්ඩරේ. How much should be fill the gap? එහෙනම් ඔගේ ස්පේස් එක 5r squared h minus 1/3 5r h. ඔය gap එක කීයද කියන්නේ? How much it's equal? Inori, how much? ඔය දෙක සමාන වෙන්නේ කොකටද? The amount water needed to remaining portion equal to 500 milliliters. Okay, then this can be write as a 3/3 5r squared h minus 1/5r squared h equal to 500. Okay, then how much? 2/3 අපිට මේක අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන්. 2/3 5r squared h equal to 500 milliliters. Okay, asking the capacity of the cylinder. Cylinder capacity එක මෙන්න මේක නේද? ඔන්න ඕක තමයි cylinder එකේ capacity එක. මම ඒකට දාගන්නවා to capital V. Okay, 500 milliliters. අපි okay, we get as a subject 500 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. How much? 750 milliliter is the how much? The capacity of the cylinder. Okay, can you write it? එක තේරුණාද? ඉනුරි?
තේරුණා සර්.
මෙන්න මේ කෑල්ලනේ ඔය සිලින්ඩරේ කියන්නේ සිලින්ඩරේ වොලියුම් එක කියන්නේ. Tarul, can you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The answer I finish the writing. Try to 19th one. 19 වෙනි එක try කරන්න. Write the constant value should be the added to make expression x squared minus 1 over 2x a perfect square. What is a perfect square? Then like this, a perfect square. Then we can what to do? X plus y. ඔය වගේ එකක් තිබ්බොත් x squared then yx and xy. xy then xy plus xy plus y squared equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Okay. In this question, you have to get the answers for the terms. Okay. How we get it? X squared plus 2xy plus y squared equal to what is x squared minus 1x. Phenomena, constant we can take it as a c. Okay. Then what is? Then make it බලන්න x වගේ x තියෙනවා නේද? x වගේ x තියෙනවා. Then y වගේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? Like 2y x තියෙනවා. Minus half x plus c. Then 2y equal to minus 1 over 2. Then y is how much? Minus 1 over 4. Y is 1 minus 1 over 4. Okay. Can you get it? Then you have to find the what? Y squared. Then x squared on OK squared එක අරන් බලන්න. Can you take it? It's x squared minus 2x. Sorry. 2 multiplied by minus x squared minus 1 over x plus 1 over 16. Okay, what is the constant should be? මෙන්න මේක තමයි constant එක. What is? Constant should be 1 over 16. 1 over 16 කියලා constant එකක් આવොත් we can write the x minus 1 over 4 squared is the perfect square. මෙන්න මේක තමයි මේ විදිහට ලියන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ perfect square එකක් විදිහට ආව. After you finish, raise hand. After you finish, raise hand. Okay. In the figure, ACB is a tangent touch the circles at point C, D, and E are points on the circle. If the DEC equal to 60, CDB equal to 20, find the magnitude of X. Can you find out? In the figure, ABCD is a tangent when touch the circle at C point. හරි. Circle එක touch කරගෙන යනවා කියනවා point C වලදී. ACB is a tangent. Okay, if it's a tangent එකක් වුණොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන 60 degree එක equal වෙනවා මෙතනත් එහෙනම් 60 වෙනවා. Okay, now can you find the x? Can you find x? අන පොඩි දෙයක් නේද තියෙන්නේ කියලා. Yes, you know the answer is correct. Yes, Tevindu answer is correct. Tarul answer is correct. Okay. Then 60 equal to 60 is a external angle equal to internal opposite angles. Okay. Then x equal to 60 minus 20. It's 40. Okay. If you finish, raise hand. in the figure shows a vertical post AB on horizontal ground AC. Find the angle of a depression of C when observed from B. Okay, depression angle. What is depression angle? Can you tell me another word? Depression angle. Expression angle and depression angle. Then other two names for ascending angle and descending. Ascending angle and descending angle. Okay. If we got the horizontal to upward, it's a ascending angle. Then horizontal to downwards is a descending angle. In this question, asking to find the angle of depression. Angle is expression is upward from the horizontal, and the depression means it's downward from the horizontal line. හරි තිරසේ නම් පහළට තියෙන angle එක හන්නේ how much? C point එකේ ඉන්න කවුරු හරි මිනිස්සෙකුට මෙන්න මෙහෙම මෙන්න මෙතනදී අපි ඔන්නෝම ඇහැකින් බැලුවොත් මෙන්න මෙතන ඇහැක් තියෙනවා ඔන්නෝම ඇහැක් තියලා හරියට බැලුවොත් එයාගේ ඇහි ඉඳන් කොහොමද පල්ලෙහා පේන්නේ කියලා අහන්න. පල්ලෙහාට කොච්චර angle එකකින්ද C පේන්නේ කියලා අහන්න. Can you tell me? What is the depression angle? You can count. There is given the 42. Depression angle එක අහන්න. Observe from the B. The horizontal line and vertical line angle between these two horizontal and vertical, it's 90. Can you calculate the depression angle? Yes, Inari, it's 40. Tevindu answer is correct. Inari answer is correct. Yeah, you can get this is if it's x plus 42 equal to 90 degree. Then x is 90 degree minus 42. It's 48. Okay. Then can you remember what is the x y equal to px plus py minus px intersect y. Okay. Asking the P union xy. X and Y are two mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive mean no intersection. Intersection is 0. Can you find the P union Y? P X union Y. Probability of X union Y. This is the formula. මෙන්න මේක තමයි formula එක. Then intersection එක 0 වෙනවා. Because it's mutually exclusive. හරි? අර අපි හරියට මේ මෑකක මොකද්ද? round එකක් xy කියලා තියෙනවා. මෙන්න මේක 0 වෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ කොහොම intersection එකක් නැහැ. එහෙනම් මෙන්න මෙහෙම තමයි තියෙන්නේ ඔය දෙක. Okay. Then intersection is 0. You have to find out the union xy. Union probability. ගොඩාක් දේවල් අමතකයි නම් මතක් කරගන්න වෙනවා. How much the px? px කීයද ඉන්නෝදි? මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන px 1 over 3. Then py is 2 over 5. Then minus p intersect y. Then question told the x and y are two mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means then there is no intersection. 0. Can you find out what is the p x union y? What is common denominator is 15. 5 plus 6. Then 11 over 15. Is it? 11 over 15. Okay. After you finish it, try send. In this discussion, ABC is a triangle. X is a point on AB. X is a point on AB. Y is a point on AC such that BC is parallel to XY. Okay, if A, B, and C are on the circumference. What? A, B, C කියන circumference එක තියෙන්නේ කියලා. එතකොට ඒ කියන්නේ same circle with the Y center. ඔන්න ඔහොම අපිට අඳින්න පුළුවන් කියනවා. You can draw a circle. I couldn't get a perfect circle. Okay. Y is the center again. Y is center. Then if the Y center, the both side, the radius, AY and CY are radius. Find the length of AY. Now asking the AY length. Can you get it? How we find out it? Can you tell me XY how much? XY දිග කොච්චරක්ද වෙන්නේ? දැන් අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා midpoint theorem එකේ අනුව BC 10ක් වෙනවා නම් XY කීයද? ඒකෙන් කොච්චර පංගුවක්ද? Inori, XY how much?
5 centimeters.
Yes, 5 centimeter. Can you find out the AY now? How we find it? This is also 90 degree. Can you find out? AY. One triangle දෙකක් ගන්නවා. ඔයාලා දැන් බලා ගන්න. හරි. මෙන්න මේ triangle එකේ. This is 90 degree. A, this is A, X, Y. Another triangle, there is A, B, C. Then BC is 10 centimeter. Okay. Equivalent triangles. This is 5 centimeter. Okay. The equivalent triangles. Okay. Can you tell me AY? AY divided by AC. Okay. AY divided by AC. You can divide by ay කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක. ඒකට අනුරූප. Okay. Then common sides. What are the common sides? Then ay divided by ac. Okay. Also, we can get the what? ay වලට මේකේ නම් තියෙන්නේ 5. Then divide by 2. ay and ac කියන්නේ ay වගේ 2 2ay. ac equal to 2ay. 5 divide by 10. Okay. Okay. Then how much ac now? Okay. Can you find out? Right. Okay, get the answer. Ay is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 over 10, 5 by 2. Okay, how much? Ay now. Ay is equal to මේකේ ගන්න වෙන්නේ 15 centimeter. Okay, AC is 15. Take the next one. A distance time graph represents the motion of a car. Find the speed of a car in kilometers. Okay. Can you find out speed? Speed is have to divide by distance. Distance divided by time. Distance is 400 minus 0 divided by 8 minus 0. Get the answer. Did you got it? What is 400 divided by 8? 50 kilometers per hour. In the figure, PQR is a triangle. 25th one. PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. This is the PQR. Okay. Then X is a point on moving. X is point on moving line. X is a point moving on the line QR. Okay, line QR. Describe the locus of the midpoint of PX. Okay, can you tell me? If the figure of a PQR is a triangle, X is a point of moving on the line QR. Describe the locus of the midpoint of PX. Okay, midpoint of PX where? This is the midpoint. Midpoint of X. X is moving on where? If it's moved to X here, මොකද වෙන්නේ? Midpoint එක. If it's moved to this point, X, what is midpoint? Every time, what is midpoint? If it's moving, what is? Then goes down. මොකද වෙන්නේ? If it's moving downwards, what is? Moving here. What is midpoint of this? This is the, okay. මෙන්න මේ වගේ මොකක්ද? Midpoint is go through like this. Midpoints. What is? Angle bisectors ned. Then these are equal distance. Okay. Then midpoint. What is the locus of the PX? PX is angle bisector of P, R, X and P, Q, X. Okay. This is the locus of the midpoint of PX. Write down it. After you finish, raise hand. Sehansa, I finish. හරි මේ පේපර් එකේ ඉතුරු ටික ඔයාලා ගෙදරදී කරන්න try කරන්න. I will discuss it in the next week. Okay. එහෙනම් ගොඩක් අයට දැන් මතක නෑ වගේ පරණ ඒවා. හරි. උත්තර දෙන විදිහෙන් කිය හැකි මේ ඉන්න පරණ ඒවා මතක් කරගන්න. Okay. එහෙනම් good night. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night.